Breaking news. A sudden and powerful volcanic eruption has sent shockwaves through the region, forcing thousands to evacuate as authorities rush to respond. The eruption occurred earlier today at Mount Pryo in the Pacific Ring of Fire, spewing ash miles into the atmosphere and blanketing nearby villages. Experts warn that additional eruptions may follow as seismic activity in the area remains dangerously high. Over 20,000 residents have been evacuated so far, with shelters quickly filling up. Relief efforts are underway to provide food, water, and medical aid. Stay updated on this developing situation by following our live updates online.